everyone, you're watching News Edge with Priyambada. The changes of habit are too weak to be felt until they're too strong to be broken. Well, yes, I'm talking about China. It is quite evident that China is not yet tired of its old filthy habits. For example, claiming India's land again and again. India could have paid more attention to it only if China was capable of a full-fledged war. Chinese government knows that almost all its neighboring countries, except India, are no match to it in terms of hard and soft power. China likes to flex its muscles to show Western power and Asian neighbors that China is the new power. Except some islands in South China Sea, it has not been able to materialize its claims. It wants to be the USA of Asia. It aspires to be a superpower and make some modern colonies like Pakistan. If China tries to annex Arunachal Pradesh, India is in a position of complete retaliation. Let me also tell them that this is no 1962. India has worked on its mistakes and there is no way that China could apprehend Arunachal Pradesh without fighting a full-fledged war. And China would never do that. Exactly 2 days ago, China released 4th list of 30 more names for places in Arunachal Pradesh. The Chinese Ministry of Civil Affairs released the 4th list of standardized geographical names in Zhangyan, the Chinese names for Arunachal Pradesh, which Beijing claims as part of South Tibet in Global Times. India has been rejecting China renaming places in Arunachal Pradesh, asserting that state is an integral part of the country and assigning invented names does not alter its reality. Foreign Minister Mr. S. Jaishankar said that this is not a new issue. China has laid claim, it has expanded its claims. He says that claims are of no use. Mr. Jaishankar said, and I quote, that if today I change the name of your house, will it become mine? Arunachal Pradesh was, is and will always be the state of India. Changing names doesn't affect or change the truth. Well, what do you think about China's baseless claims? Do let us know in the comment section. That's all we have for the day. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.